In this video, we are going to talk about the 4 guidelines for powerful goal setting by Jim Rohn. For those who don't know him, Emmanuel James Rohn, professionally known as Jim Rohn, was an American entrepreneur, author, and motivational speaker. He authored countless books and audio and video programs and helped motivate and shape an entire generation of personal development trainers and hundreds of executives from America's top corporations. Let's start the topic. The most important benefit of setting goals isn't achieving your goal, it's what you do and the person you become in order to achieve your goal. That's the real benefit. Mastering the art of goal setting. A comprehensive guide. Setting goals is more than just a simple task. It's a strategic process that lays the foundation for personal growth and achievement. By delving deep into your aspirations and creating actionable objectives, you can unlock your full potential and pave the way for a fulfilling life. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the intricate nuances of goal setting and provide you with a detailed roadmap for success made by Jim Rohn. Number 1. Evaluation and reflection. The cornerstones of progress. Before embarking on your goal-setting journey, it's essential to take a step back and evaluate your current circumstances. Reflection allows you to gain valuable insights into your strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Set aside dedicated time for introspection, away from distractions, to objectively assess where you stand in various aspects of your life. Consider using a structured approach for evaluation. Quiet contemplation. Find a peaceful environment where you can ponder without interruptions. This serene setting provides the mental space needed for deep reflection. Regular evaluation. Establish a consistent schedule for self-assessment. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, commit to evaluating your progress at regular intervals. Honest examination. Be ruthlessly honest with yourself during the evaluation process. Acknowledge both your successes and shortcomings without bias, as this transparency lays the groundwork for growth. Written documentation. Keep a journal or record of your reflections. Documenting your thoughts and observations provides a tangible reference point for future assessments and facilitates accountability. Through thorough evaluation and reflection, you gain a clear understanding of your starting point and pave the way for intentional goal setting. Number 2. Dreams and goals. Unleashing your inner potential. Your dreams serve as the guiding light that illuminates your path to success. These aspirations, born from the depths of your heart and mind, define your unique journey and shape your destiny. To harness the power of your dreams, follow these steps. Deep introspection. Take the time to introspect and unearth your deepest desires. Listen to your inner voice and identify the dreams that resonate with your essence. Alignment with values. Ensure that your goals align with your core values and beliefs. Authentic goals rooted in your values are more likely to inspire sustained motivation and fulfillment. Specificity and clarity. Be specific and precise about your goals. Avoid vague aspirations and instead articulate your objectives with clarity and detail. Prioritization. Once you've identified your dreams, prioritize them based on their significance and feasibility. Determine which goals are most aligned with your vision for the future. By tapping into your dreams and aligning them with your values, you unleash your inner potential and set the stage for transformative growth. 3. SMART goals. Building a blueprint for success. SMART goals provide a structured framework for effective goal setting. By adhering to the SMART criteria, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-sensitive, you ensure that your goals are actionable and achievable. Let's delve deeper into each component. S. Specific. You have to clearly define your goals with precision and clarity. Avoid ambiguity and articulate exactly what you want to accomplish. M. Measurable. You need to establish concrete criteria for measuring your progress and success. Quantify your goals whenever possible to track your advancement. A. Attainable. You have to set goals that are challenging yet realistic within your current capabilities and resources. Avoid setting unattainable objectives that may lead to frustration. R. Realistic. You must ensure that your goals are aligned with your abilities and circumstances. While it's essential to stretch yourself, setting overly ambitious goals can hinder progress. T. Time sensitive. Don't forget to assign deadlines to your goals to create a sense of urgency and focus. Time-bound goals provide a clear time frame for completion and prevent procrastination. By integrating the SMART criteria into your goal-setting process, you create a robust blueprint for success that maximizes your chances of achievement. Number 4, accountability, fueling progress through support. Accountability serves as a powerful catalyst for progress and growth. Whether through internal self-discipline or external support systems, holding yourself accountable significantly enhances your commitment to your goals. Here's how to leverage accountability effectively. Internal accountability. Cultivate a sense of integrity and self-discipline in pursuing your goals. Be honest with yourself during self-assessment and hold yourself accountable to your commitments. External accountability. Seek support from trusted individuals who can hold you accountable for your actions and progress. Choose accountability partners who genuinely care about your success and are willing to provide honest feedback. Regular check-ins. Establish a system of regular check-ins with your accountability partners to review your progress and discuss any challenges or obstacles. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. Positive reinforcement reinforces your commitment and motivates you to continue striving for success. By embracing accountability, you create a supportive environment that fuels your progress and empowers you to achieve your goals. Conclusion: empowering your journey towards success. In conclusion, goal setting is a transformative process that empowers you to manifest your dreams and aspirations. By conducting thorough evaluation and reflection, aligning your goals with your values, setting SMART objectives, and leveraging accountability, you lay the foundation for meaningful and sustainable success. Embrace these strategies, stay committed to your goals, and embark on a journey of self-discovery and achievement. Remember, your goals are the blueprint for your future, and by mastering the art of goal setting, you unlock your full potential and create a life of purpose and fulfillment. If you found value in this video, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the Quest of Wisdom for more valuable videos like this. Farewell, my friends.